Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. Let's see here, jeepsunlimited.net. Sorry, this is about my 50th video today, so jeepsunlimited.net. You can view this frame and others like it. This is a 87 to 95 year range Jeep Wrangler YJ frame, square headlights. It's got a 4-cylinder, or had a 4-cylinder in it, so that's what will work in it. If you want to put this in a 6-cylinder, not really that hard to do. The frames are identical except for two things. Those guys right there, they need to come up due to the shortness of the 4-cylinder block. They move them back. So this would be a grade A+ frame. It's in very, very good condition. I haven't had the time to really fully strip every single thing off it like we normally do, but we will get those done. If something you see on it that you want, just let us know. If we have a lot of them, we'll throw it in. If it's something we sell, normally we'll work you out a good deal on it. Otherwise, it's excellent. So running and driving Jeep, like all of ours are, all of them come out of Nevada, Arizona, California, rust-free areas. We don't mess with anything east of Colorado, and a lot of Colorado Jeeps anymore are the same way as the Midwest. So we pretty much stop buying out of anywhere like that. We also don't buy out of insurance auctions just because it's too much of a risk for us to buy wrecked Jeeps. And yeah, I think that's it. So this is top side, obviously. Anything on it I see, I'll point out. The pockets here, those are usually an indicator of how rusty you're gonna find this thing. Those are excellent. There's not a bit, and probably hard to see that shadow there, but let's see here if I can get that a little better. There you go. A little bit of sand in the bottom of it, but absolutely no rust in it whatsoever. These pockets here that mount your frame to your body are usually rotted out. Those are obviously in perfect shape as well. This guy up here loves to kind of wallow itself out, and that's also in original shape. And then these guys here, again, we normally pull stuff like this. If I can get them out by hand, normally you need a pry bar. Let's see, and these will pull out, otherwise they'll bounce out on the freight. But see that, nice and perfect. So nice, smooth, no rust on it, a little bit of dirt in there. This black that you see that I'm kind of rubbing away down to the black, this factory, that's 40-year-old paint there, or 35 or whatever it is. So they're in very, very good shape. We haven't been doctored, cleaned up in any way, shape, or form. Normally we wash them, but what you're seeing here is actually exactly how they came off the boat. Bottom side is always something that interests people, obviously. It's the side that takes the most of the beating from the road salt and everything else. Again, not because, mainly because it wasn't in a salt area. Factory black paint on this one throughout as well on the bottom. Those guys there love to rot out on them. Those are in excellent shape. Not a bit of rust, rot, or broken bolts off. That little skid, even that thing is amazing. So, can we sell stuff like that? If it's something you want, we'll throw it in there for you if you have a lot of them. If not, we'll work out a good deal on them. And then the back subframe area, excellent shape with a bumperettes go, or a bumper, whatever your choice is. Yeah, and now I'm out of breath. That's it. So, happy Easter 2018. Thanks a lot.